Hi. So, um, it's meeting time. You are about to step into an important video call with a customer or colleague, and there's a problem though. Your room looks like this. So, what can you do quickly to fix it? So, one possible solution is use Silhouette. Silhouette is a desktop application, Linux desktop application that creates a virtual camera in PipeWire and receives input from PipeWire. So it grabs the real camera from PipeWire and introduces a GStreamer processing pipeline in the middle. For the initial implementation, we have used the ONNX plugins of GStreamer. So we use a model that removes the background and keeps only the silhouette of the person, hence the name. And this is pretty much how it looks today. On the left side at the bottom, you can see the original camera feed with GST launch. This is grabbing the camera directly from PipeWire. On the upper left corner, you can see Silhouette's user interface. That's currently the user interface. Now there are plans to change that and make it integrate with a shell and make it maybe a shell plugin. That would be nicer. And the Silhouette application exposes a virtual stream, virtual camera stream that you can see here on the right that Firefox is grabbing it just fine, as if it was a camera. And at the top, you can see PipeWire's graph using QPW graph. You can see that the camera goes into Silhouette, and then from there, you basically the video feed is branched and it goes into Firefox and the preview, which is the preview is actually a client. It's not showing the GStreamer output directly. It's the GStreamer output goes to PipeWire and then the client grabs it back. For more, go to gitlab-desktop.org/Julian/Silhouette. This is actually not my work. Credit goes to Julian Buzas, my colleague, who was not able to come to the conference, but yeah, he wrote this, and it's very much work in progress. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but you get the idea. Julian has a couple of ideas here to actually make the processing pipeline generic, so you could have many more plugins, effects, models that you run to improve your image. And the idea is that you could do this on device before it goes out to the browser and the meeting application, because a lot of meeting applications actually can do this, but they do it on the browser or on the server, and you don't actually have control what's going on there. Sometimes it's not efficient, sometimes it breaks. So the idea is to do it before it leaves your system and goes into the browser. Thank you very much.